Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This week I happened to visit Mysore for some personal work. Since it is Dasara week, I thought it might be useful to share my experience of driving on the Bangalore-Mysore highway, especially for those who are not familiar with this route. I'll be covering only the highlights, not the entire trip. Road conditions are generally good, no potholes or unexpected humps. However, the lane specific speed limits can be confusing. For example, sometimes a slow moving bus takes the rightmost lane while speed boards show different limits for each lane. To be on safer side, I stuck to the rightmost lane almost throughout, not exceeding 90. Most restaurants are located on the service road with no direct access from the highway, except for this Pakashala. At the toll booths, system works in manual mode. Cameras read the number plates, and if valid, staff open the gate by pressing a button. This slows down the flow of traffic when vehicle volume is high. There are a few NHI restrooms if you need a quick stop. Otherwise, you can comfortably drive non-stop and reach Mysore in about 2 hours from Bangalore. After entering Mysore, I stopped for lunch at a restaurant by looking at parking space. Food was average, though the ambience was better than average. Mysore roads are well maintained, broad, and already equipped with Dasara lights. At times, roads were so wide that I got confused, wondering if I had mistakenly taken a one way. Since my visit was for personal work, I had to return in a few hours and couldn't capture the famous Dasara night lighting. That's something I will try to cover in future. One thing to note, traffic in Mysore builds up quickly during festive times. But unlike Bangalore, traffic clearance takes longer as the police are not used to managing large blocks. Signals are installed throughout the main roads, many of which seemed unnecessary. On my way back, it started raining. Even with light rain, water tends to stagnate on the highway, making driving tricky. Collecting tolls without fixing such issues doesn't feel fair. The highway surface is slightly uneven in many stretches, making the ride a bit bumpy. It doesn't quite offer the smooth highway comfort I have experienced on Kunigal Highway. I tried a small stretch on service road for a few kilometers, and road conditions are found good. As I got closer to Bangalore, overtaking forced me to switch lanes frequently. Still, the speed limits on this highway do add safety for everyone, despite the minor inconveniences. Finally, reached Bangalore. That's all from my side. Please share your thoughts about Bangalore-Mysore highway in comments below. And if you have found this video informative, do show your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to my channel for more updates. Wishing you all a happy Dasara. Bye for now.